Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddesses ko? So yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So yeah, kamusta kayo dyan mga air signs natin dyan? Anong meron, no? Anong ganap sa mga air signs natin, right? No? So yeah, before we start, message or advice for you ng iyong inner self, and love situation for you mga goddesses ko, no? Person on your mind, and of course, no, hindi mawawala message or advice ni universe, no, for you mga goddesses ko, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, right? No, so yeah, let's start, no? So let's see what's the message or advice for you ng iyong inner self, no, mga air signs natin, right? No, so kuha tayo ng one card for you, message or advice ni ni inner self ninyo, right? Ng inyong inner self, right? Mga air signs natin, right? So yeah, kuha tayo ng one card. So you have this, no, elf, medicine woman. So for some of you, no, maybe literally, no, you are working in an hospital. Maybe for some of you, you are a doctor or maybe a nurse, no, na tumutulong para mapagaling ang mga tao, na nagiging sabihin natin nagiging ano bang tawag doon, yung way ni God para tumulong makahil ng mga person, right? Pwede rin ganun, sabihin natin literally, for some of you, you are a faith healer or a healer, something like that, spiritual healer, no? Albularyo for some of you, di ba, mga goddesses ko, right? No? So, yeah, right, no? So, yeah, for some of you, you are a spiritual healer then, for some of you. So, ang nakikita ko rito, anything na nakakatulong kayong mag-heal, no? Something like that. Maybe a life coaches, no? Advisor for some of you na nakaka-heal, nakaka-enlighten ng tao, no? Something like that, ang kanilang mga nararamdaman, no? Something like that, no? Mga air signs natin, right? No? Something na you can heal, no, people na lumalapit sa inyo, no? Something like that, no? Para kayong gamot, no? Literally, right? No, so let's see ano namang meron, no, sa inyong love relationship, love situation, person on your mind, no? So kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you para sa ating mga air signs. Sorry, nasagi natin ang ating camera, right? Mga air signs natin. So, let's see ano yung nakuha nating cards. So, you have this fire, no? So, for some of you, maybe you are dealing with a fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, lumabas din kanina sa fire signs natin ng air, right? No? Maybe for some of you talaga ay dealing with a fire sign, right? But then with the fire din, pwedeng sabihin natin na you are on fire, no? With the person on your mind, no? For some of you, both of you are very, very passionate to each other, no? Attracted, no? For some of you, no? So, what else? So, Jupiter, no? So, meron ditong Jupiter for some of you. Wait lang, Yeah, for some of you, no, mga air sign with the Jupiter, merong big changes, no, in regards to your relationship, no? Merong malaking pagbabagong mangyayari or nangyari, no? For some of you sa inyong relationship, right? Na mga air signs natin, right? No? So, let's see what else. Kuha pa tayo ng additional messages for you para marami tayong makuhang energies, no? Marami tayong makuhang mga sitwasyon, no? For some of you, no? Mga air signs natin, right? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for you. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, yeah, kuha tayo ng 3 cards. So, let's see. So, meron dito, I am worthless, no? Talagang lumabas din to kay fire signs kanina, right? No? So, what else? So, doing spell work on you, no? Yeah, meron dito for some of you. may nagmamanifest, no? Something like that, no? Sabihin natin literal na hindi naman kayo hinihex or kinukulam mo. Maybe for some of you, minamanifest ka ng tao na ito, no? For some of you. And what else? Will you marry me? No? So, yeah, for some of you, kaya siguro ay minamanifest ka ng tao na ito, right? Maybe for some of you, talaga ay may nagbabalak ng mag-propose, no? Something like that, right? No? Meron na ditong gustong mag-propose for some of you, no? Ay merong magpo-propose sa inyo dyan, no? Mga air signs natin, right? No? Maybe person nyo, no? Ay ready na to commit, no? Para sa inyo, no? Ready to have this new beginning, no? Sa inyo, no? Mga, yan, no? Mga, excuse, sorry, mga air signs. Na ano yung aking, no? So, yeah. Sobrang na-excite siguro yung person ninyo, no? At parang hindi na makapagsalita sa excitement, right? But then, meron siya dito, no? Kasi parang, I think, no, this person, whoever it is, no, parang nagmamadali na siya na mag-propose or makasama ka, something like that, no? Because parang it will be a missed opportunity, no, for some na ano yung ating boses, right? Excuse. Yeah. Parang for this person, no, it will be a missed opportunity, no, kapag hindi pa niya ginawa ito, no. Something like that, no. Mga air signs natin, right? No? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, na hindi ko siya nakikitaan ng negative. But then, I don't know if you are in this relationship with this person or maybe for some of you, baka may nagkakagusto sa inyo at gustong pakasalan kayo, something like that, no? For those who are, maybe meron kayong mga admirers, right? For some of you, mga air signs. So, ayun din yung nakukuha natin dito. That's why may mga nagmamanifest sa inyo na sana ay magkagusto siya sa akin, sa air signs, or maybe ay sana makausap ko si air sign, sana magkaroon kami ng relation. So, ayun yung mga ibang napipick up ko, no, for some of you, air signs, no, meron kayong mga admirers, right, no, maybe a secret admirers, no, madami talaga, no, for some of you, no, ang mga air signs natin, right? No, so, let's see what else. Kuha pa tayo ng additional messages for you, air signs. So, kuha tayo ng 2 cards here. For you, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. 2 cards for air signs, please. 2 cards for air signs. So, yeah, let's see. Ano pang meron sa mga air signs natin? So, you have this, no, gaining knowledge, progression, determination, good news, positive, right? No, for some of you, talagang ang iba sa inyo ay napakaganda ng relationship, right? Na parang nagkakaroon ng leveling up, no? For some of you, that's why sabi ko nga may mga malaking pagbabago, big changes sa inyong relationship, right? No, merong mga magagandang positivity na pumapasok within the relationship, right? No, nagiging mas matibay and solid, solid foundation, no? Nagkakaroon ng solid foundation for some of you sa inyong relasyon, right? And then for some of you, fights, so meron din talaga, no, for some of you, laging may pagtatalong nangyayari, right, no? At merong mind games, no? Meron dito ay merong player. For some of you, you are dealing with a player, right? No? So, meron talagang laging pag-aaway, pagtatalo, arguments, no? Dahil hindi na nagkakasundo, no? Something like that. Talagang with the fire, no, sabihin natin mainit-init talaga lagi, no, halos everyday yung pagtatalo, no, for some of you naman na in relationship, no, mga air signs natin, right? So, let's see, kuha pa tayo ng additional messages for you, air signs. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, please. 2 cards for air signs. Additional messages, no? Kuha pa tayo ng mga energies, no? Ano pang meron para sa mga air signs natin dyan. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here. So, meron ditong maganda din ang relationship, meron ding hindi, syempre, no? hindi talaga pare-parehas, right? No? So, let's see what else. So, meron dito, no, escapade, vacation, hideaway, adventure. No? So, meron naman dito for some of you, no, hindi ko muna aanim, pero but then may nakikita na ako, no? But then, let's see what else. Ano pang meron? So, meron dito nightlife, no? So, taking a risk, no? So, for some of you, no, I think, with those who are dealing with, merong mga third-party situation sa kanyang relationship, no? Ang person ninyo, no, madalas, kung may person kayong madalas wala sa gabi, no? Ay nagkakaroon ng escapade, no? Something like that, no? Hide away, no? He or she is, having this adventure with the third party, no? At mostly sa night time sila nagkikita, no? For some of you na merong feeling third party situation sa kanilang mga relationship, no? At it's a confirmation for some of you na ay sa gabi nagkikita itong person mo with the third party, right? No? So, meron talaga rito for some of you ay mayroong third party sa kanilang relasyon, no? Something like that, no? Kung meron man sa inyo, nakaka-relate kayo sa ganito at huwag kayong masyadong maging hot, no? Hot-tempered, hinay-hinay lang, kalma lang, gain more evidences, no? Para ay mas credible ang inyong mga kung gusto nyong i-confront ang inyong person, right? Kailangan may mga ebidensya kayo, no? Gather more some evidence, concrete evidence, no, mga goddesses ko, para bago nyo siya i-confront, right? No, mga air signs. So, let's see what's the message or advice for you ni universe, no, mga air signs natin. Message or advice for you ni universe. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, right? So, be authentic, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito ni universe, no? Ina-advise ka, air signs, to be authentic, no? Show who you truly are, no? Huwag ka nang mag-wear ng mask, no? Kung ano man yung mga kinakatakutan mo, hindi ka dapat natakot because you are authentic, no? Show your authenticity, right? No? Show who you really are, no? To the world, no? Something like that. Kung anong meron sa'yo, show off this, no? Kung meron ka mang something nakakaiba, that is your gift, no? Something like that, no, mga air signs. Huwag mong ikahiya anong meron kakaiba sa'yo, no? Something like that, di ba? So, sinasabi sa'yo ni universe, show it, be authentic, be true to yourself, no? Mga air signs. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? And in regards the relationship, kung ano yung alam mong tama, gawin mo, no? Mga air signs natin, no? Huwag ka nang mag-isip ng maraming beses. Alam mo na yung tama. For sure, alam mo. Kasi matalino ka, air signs, right? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Alam mo yung mga dapat gawin sa hindi dapat gawin. So, you have to decide for some of you. Be authentic, be true to yourself. Decide what is better for yourself, right? Mga air signs natin, right? No? So, yeah, that's it for you. Air signs, no? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa inyong reading today, no? So, iba-ibang energies, no? Iba-ibang situation, relationship ang ating nasaga for you. But then, overall, sinasabi sa'yo ni universe, be authentic, be true to yourself, do whatever you want, no? Kung ano yung gusto mo, ayun ang gawin mo. Ano yung alam mong tama, ayun ang i-decision mo para sa sarili mo, right? Mga air signs natin, right? You are always doing the right thing, no? Basta alam mo sa sarili mo na naniniwala kang tama ito, no? Ano yung gut feeling mo, that is true, no? That is your, di ba? Ikaw yan eh. Walang ibang nakakakilala sa'yo aside from God, only yourself, right? No? So, wag kang makikinig sa iba. Yes, take their advices, but then, at the end of the day, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang magde-decide whatever it is para sa sarili mo, right? No, mga air signs natin, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, yeah, that's it for you. And thank you again for always tuning in, for always watching ng ating mga readings today. Ng mga readings natin sa ating channel, right? No, so, napaka super appreciated ko talaga yan, no, mga air signs natin, goddesses ko, no, so talagang like me, no, I'm a Libra, no, so talagang feel ko yung air signs, right, no, so yeah, fight lang tayo, mga air signs natin, no, kayang-kaya natin yan, right, no, so yeah, that's it for you, and again, God bless you all, thank you for watching air signs.